Hey everyone, good day. So welcome to this exciting video. First on how to convert your NotCoin into stable coin like USDT. First and foremost, I want to say congratulations, special congratulations to all those who were able to act fast and followed my last video to withdraw their NotCoin. I'm sure you are excited now. I can see I've seen people with 200, 100, 300 and somebody with over $2,000 worth of NotCoin. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to convert that NotCoin into USDT. Now, why do you need to convert? Now, if you check, you will notice one thing here, that the price of NotCoin, if you see, look up here, you will notice that the price keeps changing. Why is the price changing? That's because of market action. So the coin is being traded and being used, and so the value of the coin will rise and fall at different times. So if you want your coin to remain at a fixed price where it doesn't go up or down, what happens is that yes, you can convert it to a stable coin like USDT, and I'm going to be showing you that. That's how you go about trading your coin. You go to this side and click spot. So we're going to change it to spot trading, and then now we can see our balance NotCoin. On this account I have 3,354.91 NotCoin, and we want to trade that, so you click the coin there. Alright, so yep, so now you see this, it shows you the current price of NotCoin in the market, 0.007262, and this price will keep fluctuating. So you come here to click this. We want to enter the trading section. We are going to trade our coin now. Okay, so let's click this NotCoin USDT. Okay, so this is the current, like I said, this is the current value, 0.00724. You see it is changing, it keeps changing. You see the price, the current trend in the market. There was a time the price goes quite high, so it will keep fluctuating up and down in your favor or against you. So we want to sell, so click sell here. Okay, so the current price is okay, it's on limit order. Let's change it to market order. We want to sell it off. Change to market order. Then we are selling everything. If you're not selling everything, you click 25%. 25% is here. That means you're going to be selling just a part of it. 833 NotCoin. If you do 50% here, 1,677, you can do some 5% there, 2,516, or you do 100% if you want to sell everything, which is 3,354. Alright, so we'll sell the entire NotCoin. If you click sell now, we're going to sell, and this is what we're getting. We're getting 24.2727 NotCoin if we'll sell now. That depends on if you want to sell now. If I click sell now, automatically it will go to my USD, it will convert to USDT, and I will have it as USDT. I can withdraw it, I can sell it off and then withdraw the USDT, or I can leave it in USDT and the price will remain stable. It won't fluctuate up or high. Okay, so right now if I want it to be higher than that, I can change it. If I want to sell high, I don't want to sell at that rate, but I wanted to sell at a different amount, I can change it to limit order. But I've already shown you how you can convert. Once you click sell, you sell. But for a person who says I don't want to sell at that rate, I want to sell something higher, let's say when it gets up to 0.75 and I want to sell 100, this is what I'll get, 25 USDT as against that. But it means it will not go immediately, it will be there till the price gets up to that. But if it doesn't get up to that, I won't sell. But if I want to sell immediately, change it to market order, and that will sell at the current price. Right now you see it's 24.2090, lower than what we got earlier. So that's how to sell your convert your NotCoin to USDT. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share this video. More awesome opportunities are coming up this weekend and beyond, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So stay subscribed to this channel, like and share this video, and follow up everything we're doing, because we're going to be giving you more updates on different opportunities this weekend.